What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Charles. So you know already. I want to say everyone happy late Christmas and happy New Year and whatever. Last year has been a crazy year for us, but we pray that this year will be a blessing. So today I'm gonna try something new that I've never tried. Me, if you all know me, I don't like spicy shit at all. Sorry for cussing, but I don't like any spicy food. So one of my homeboy got me what's it called? Jamaican fried chicken and Jamaican fried what's it called again?
Barbie fry.
Barbie fry, and the French fry. And then the worst part of this, guys, this is the Jamaican what's it called again?
Jamaican Hellfire. Shayno's
Jamaican
authentic. No, just say Shayno's authentic.
So guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring out the person who did this and explain how he did it. So yeah, welcome to my boy.
What's up, bro? What's up? What's up, fans? Yeah, man. So yeah, what?
So tell them.
My bro flew me in from Jamaica, you know, and he wants some authentic food, so you know I made him some French fried chicken, and I made him some Barbie fried chicken, and the main kicker of the day, I tell him he's gonna love this. This is my Hellfire Sauce, authentic Jamaican Hellfire Sauce. Find me on Shayno YQL on Instagram. The most ingredients to my sauce, they're natural, all natural spice, tropical spice and herbs, made from everything fresh, no preservatives, no additives, you know, 0% fat, iron, no calories.
Yo, cut all that.
Cut.
No, keep it. But so, let's go down to the business. I know you guys don't want much talk. So the real thing, I'm just gonna try this and see, hopefully get my reaction. So let's get it. So I'm gonna try. Should I try this one first?
I'd say go for it, anyone, you know.
Okay. So
I have the dry fry and the barbecue.
And I have my milk too in case.
Barbie fry. Alright, so first thing,
That one's
chicken
good.
tastes good, alright.
It's good.
Yeah?
I give it like 8 out of 10.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's still fried, but it's still good. It's still solid.
Alright.
I give it a solid 8.
How about the juiciness? Is it juicy
Yeah,
or dry?
yeah, man. No, it's good.
Yeah?
It's good. You know what? I give it a 9.
Yeah?
I give it a 9.
Alright. Ready now, hot.
Boy.
Go ahead, yeah man. Dip in and go. Alright.
Ui. On to the next one. We have Jamaican bob fry. Bro, this one is already burning me, and to add this one, I think I'm gonna shit on myself. Like, come on, bro. I'm just holding my cool, but right now, damn. Oh, forgive me, bro, cause I don't wanna go to Hellfire, cause this is already burning. Alright, too much stuff. Let me go back to the business. Good. Yo, can I get tissue? Tissue. Or wipes, anyone. Bro, my mouth. Bro, this shit is burning. Oh. Bro, I can't eat anymore. Nothing's wrong. What's milk? Okay, wipes, please.
Right, so he went to the washroom 3 times to rinse his mouth. We're gonna check on him right now. He's back at the chair. Yo, how you doing?
You don't have to flip it like that.
Yeah.
You have to put it the same way.